So, today we are going to learn how to place an image taken from internet inside your artwork. First of all, you need to choose an image that you like on the web, and then you need to download it on your computer. If you are using a Mac computer, all your file that you download from the internet will be saved in the Downloads folder. If you want to find them, you need to go to the desktop of your computer, then you go to the top bar menu, you choose Go, and then Downloads. Here there is my image. I suggest you to call it in a more meaningful way. So rename it, please. Okay, then I'll ask you to move the file in the appropriate folder. So please go to the Design Technology C folder on your desktop, then you go inside App Design folder and IMG, and please move the file here. Now you need to open the smartphone template renamed with your name at the end. And choose, please, the Open With function, because you need to open it with Illustrator. So you click on the file, keeping the Ctrl button pressed. Open with Adobe Illustrator. Now you are inside your file. Please go to the third page, the third artwork. You need to be positioned on the layer Design Your App. So the situation in your layers window should be like this. You have the smartphone template layer on the top. It should be visible. If you click here, you need to be sure that the icon of the eye is visible, and also the icon of the lock here. You need to select Design Your App layer. It should be not locked, quindi without the icon of the lock here, and visible, with the eye icon visible here. If you want to place an image here, just click on an empty space in the artwork, then you go to the top menu, you choose File, and then Place. Now you need to find your image inside your computer, so you can understand why it is very important that you remember how you named your file and where they are. In our situation, we need to go to Desktop, Design Technology C Course, App Design folder, IMG. You click on the file you want to put inside your artwork, and you choose Place. Now the cursor of your mouse has changed, and you can see the image, a little preview of your image. I suggest you to click on an empty space in the artwork, and then there is your image. You need to adjust the dimension, so we need to zoom out in some way. You need to position the selection tool here on the bottom right corner of the image, and you can adjust the dimension, but I suggest you also to keep the Shift button pressed in order not to change the proportion of the image, so your image won't be distorted in this way. Now we zoom in again, and you can move your image inside your frame, the frame of your app. Thank you.